Welcome to AFSVision, the next generation platform for commercial lending. AFSVision is a single system that is a fully integrated digital solution that will modernize how you manage your entire commercial lending portfolio. Whether it is a commercial real estate loan, a C&I loan, a small business loan, a big syndicated deal, or an SBA loan that reports to the government. This platform is the complete life of the loan solution for commercial lending. Today, we will be discussing the borrowing base functionality in AFSVision. The borrowing base facility can be built at the highest level or a sublimit. A borrowing base amount will be calculated based on the amount of collateral that is tied to the facility. When the collateral amount updates, the borrowing base amount will automatically update as well. The amount that can be borrowed under that facility will be limited by the borrowing base amount. As you can see on the screen, we have a revolving facility and we have a borrowing base sublimit. Both have been dispersed for $10 million. We also have a prime loan that has $0 dispersed. If we take a look at the borrowing base facility, we'll notice that there's $6 million available to borrow based upon the borrowing base amount, even though the overall commitment is $10 million. That amount was calculated based upon the collateral amount tied to the facility. Notice there's your $6 million advanced at 100%. If we were to change the collateral amount to $8 million, we select Accept and go back to the Obligation tab, view the borrowing base facility again, and notice updated real time is the $8 million. So now we can borrow $8 million of the $10 million. If we were to exceed that amount, notice I have a warning message at my transaction management step. I select the transaction, and right on the screen, I see that because I am trying to advance $9 million that has exceeded the $8 million, the availability has been exceeded for 7190 obligor number, obligation 34. However, if you try to execute the work package, you will still be presented with a different warning stating the same information. So you can only proceed from this step if you have the appropriate credentials to override this transaction with your user ID and password. Thank you for joining today. Hope you enjoyed learning about borrowing base functionality in AFSVision.